Assalamu alaikum, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Linux with Nishad. Here, we will start learning Linux from scratch in very simple Bengali. I hope you all will stay with me on this journey. I am an IT learner with a great passion for working with Linux. While learning Linux, I realized that it is quite difficult to find well-organized guidance in Bengali. That's why I thought, why not share my learning journey with all of you so that we can learn together? Whatever I know, I will explain to you in the simplest language. And at the same time, I hope to learn a lot from you as well. I myself am still learning Linux, and I will share every step of my learning process with you. Each video will include practical examples, live demos, and easy-to-understand explanations. So if you are interested in learning Linux, let's start this beautiful journey together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it now, so that you don't miss out on this amazing journey of learning Linux together. Why should you learn Linux? Linux is free and open source, high demand in the job market. Linux is ideal for cybersecurity. Deep understanding of computers. Linux is fast and lightweight. Linux enables you to build your own systems. Strong community and support. Linux enhances your programming skills. Stability and reliability. I'm going to show you the top 5 reasons why learning Linux in 2025 is not just smart. It's essential for your tech career. Whether you're aiming for a job in DevOps, cybersecurity, or just want full control of your system, this video is for you. So let's dive in. High demand in tech jobs. Linux powers over 90% of cloud infrastructure, servers, and enterprise systems. Companies are actively hiring Linux-skilled professionals for roles in DevOps, cloud, cybersecurity, and system administration. Foundation of cloud and DevOps. Popular tools like Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, and Ansible run primarily on Linux. If you're planning a career in cloud computing or DevOps, Linux is a must-have skill. Better understanding of cybersecurity. Linux is widely used in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Tools like Kali Linux, Metasploit, and Nmap all run on Linux, making it essential for security professionals. Control, customization, and open source. Power Linux gives you full control over your system. It's lightweight, fast, secure, and free, making it perfect for learning, experimenting, or building custom systems. Lucrative career opportunities. Linux-certified professionals like RHCSA or LFCS holders often earn higher salaries than average IT professionals. Mastering Linux can open doors to well-paying roles in tech